Y'all, I am cleaning this chicken because I'm getting ready to cook it. Let me show you this right here. Now look, when you're cleaning chicken, y'all, get that off of there. Y'all see that? Y'all, them is chicken hairs. Them chicken feathers, chicken hairs, whatever you want to call them. Y'all, don't leave that stuff in the chicken. I pulled it right out. Y'all don't leave it. Don't be leaving that in the chicken. That's nasty. Don't nobody want to eat that. Look at this one right here. Honey, his hair so long, look like he got an extension. Y'all see that sticking out right there? Y'all don't be leaving that. Don't be leaving that stuff in the chicken. That is terrible. And this one right here. Y'all, I be just a scraping and carrying on. Would you look at that? Now this joker look like he need a pedicure. Look at all that I just pulled off that chicken. He looked like he needed to make an appointment for a show enough pedicure with all that old, that's dried skin. That's what I call it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all got that stuff right now on the heel of y'all feet. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all don't leave that stuff on the chicken. That's nasty. Get all that cleaned off your chicken, okay? Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Now that you've cleaned that chicken, make sure you wash your nasty hands, okay? Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, y'all, because that's nasty too. Now we're going to make some creamy baked chicken. And we're going to use the cream of chicken soup. You guys, this is such an easy recipe. If you are a beginner cook and you wanting to impress somebody by, you know, cooking a full meal, baked chicken using the cream of chicken soup is so simple, okay? Now, I've already washed and cleaned my chicken, and I didn't need that whole pack of chicken. So what I like to do is wash and clean all of my chicken at the same time, go on and season it. Now, even if I'm not going to use that whole pack, this is what I do. If I don't need all of that chicken, this is what I do to make it easy for me when I want to cook chicken again, okay? So I've already washed and cleaned all of that chicken, and then I'm seasoning all of it at one time. Because I'm baking this, I like to pull the skin off of my chicken, and the part that I'm not baking, that I'm going to freeze, I left the skin on. Season all the chicken however you want to season it, and then the part that I'm not going to cook, I'm going to put that in a Ziploc bag, put that in the freezer, and then when I'm ready to cook it, all I have to do is take it out, let it unthaw, and it's already seasoned. So here I have my 5 chicken legs, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5, and I'm going to freeze the rest. 5 chicken legs. You guys, I'm not a real big chicken eater. I like grilled chicken or boneless chicken, so this is just for my dude number 1, aka my husband. It's already in my casserole dish, and I also sprayed my casserole dish too in hopes that it won't really stick. I'm going to use the family size cream of chicken because he's going to eat rice with his chicken, and he likes a lot of the creamy gravy. You can also use cream of mushroom, cream of celery. All of it is good with the baked chicken. Oftentimes I will even mix the cream of chicken with the cream of celery. But like today, when I don't have cream of celery to mix with that, I'm going to also season my chicken with a little bit of celery seed. Totally optional. You don't have to do that, okay? And then we have our seasoning salts. Oh, I dropped the pepper. We have our black pepper. And then I'm going to do the dynamic duo, the onion and garlic powder, and parsley, just to kind of garnish it on the top. That's it. That's it. So I'm just going to put all these seasonings on this, and then we're going to get this chicken in the oven. I'm going to bake it on 350 degrees for maybe about 55 minutes to an hour. Okay? So let's get this seasoned so we can get it inside the oven. And I'm going to start by thoroughly cleaning off, washing off this can. You guys, as I always say, just in case you're new to my channel, make sure you clean off these cans because they are nasty, okay? They've been in warehouses. Y'all, I know I need to get me another can opener. I know I do. Lord have mercy. This is terrible. I'm gonna get me one, y'all. I am. I promise. I'm gonna get me one, because this one right here is just, Lord have mercy. Okay, as I was saying, with these nasty cans, y'all, they be in warehouses and stuff. So y'all make sure you clean off them little nasty cans, okay? Alright, so start by just doing some seasoning salt. Don't need a whole lot, because remember, when you use that cream chicken soup, it's gonna be a little salty. Onion powder, garlic powder, and then the onion powder. I'm not even gonna worry about seasoning both sides, because that cream of chicken is gonna seep up under there and all these seasonings. Y'all, this is so easy. When I tell you easy, honey, if you can't do this, bless your heart. Bless your heart. Black pepper. Sometimes y'all make stuff too difficult in the kitchen, trying to be all fancy and stuff. Keep it simple. Did I do the celery seed? Let's see. I don't think I did. If I did, I'm going to do a little bit more. Look. I don't think I did, though. Okay. And then, let's see. Now, this cream of chicken is of course thick, so I like to kind of stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it too, okay? Y'all, this is so easy. Put just a little dab of water in here. I just went to the refrigerator and added just a little bit of water. There we go. Again, we're going to cook this on 350 degrees. I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and let it do its thing. I'm going to garnish it with some more, with some black pepper, and then parsley on the top. And that's it, y'all. That is it. And like I said, you can season this chicken however you like. Like I could have even added, I have some Montreal chicken seasoning. I could have put that on there too. And before I put the foil on the top, I'm going to put a couple of holes in the top. Yeah, well, I tore that a little bit, but it's okay. Just so the steam can kind of escape. And it's that simple, you guys. And we're going to put this in the oven and set our timer for 55 minutes. Y'all, it's going to be done before you know it. Ooh. Y'all, my glass is fogging up. Glasses is fogging up. Ooh, y'all, look at the pretty chicken. That's pretty chicken. See the gravy from the cream of chicken. So now my dude number 1 is ready to eat. He's standing over there washing dishes.
That's right, a man that washes dishes is sexy.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Who told you that? Talking about washing dishes is sexy.
Girl, ask your women. A man washing dishes is really sexy.
Is it? Whatever.
I believe that.
You believe it?
Yep.
Well, I'm glad you believe it. Y'all look at Rena Mun's plate. Look at his chicken, y'all. I can't tell this too much because it'll be.
And I'm gonna show you guys how to make a special rice.
Close your mouth so I can get you in the thumbnail. Why you got to have your thumb in your mouth?
It's a thumbnail. What?
You just goofy. What would you be mad if this slid on the floor?
Girl, I'll be on the floor. Our floor clean.
Okay. Anyway, so y'all, that's a simple, creamy, baked cream of chicken. Okay.
And I'm gonna make a rice for you guys. This is a special.
What is a rice?
Make some rice. It's a special rice, baby.
What's so special about it?
It's a baby making rice.
What are you talking about?
I made this rice 4 times in your life, and you don't got 4 kids.
I don't even eat rice. When I eat rice, I'm at the Japanese place and they had some white sauce on it. So I don't eat rice. So what are you talking about, husband?
I ate it.
Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Push the nosy, turn on your subscribe button. Yeah, I mean, oh Lord, he just works my nerves. Subscribe. Turn on your notification bell, okay? So you guys will know when we're uploading.
Tell you what, your people gonna want to know how this working. You watch. This is a different rice. This ain't like the rice that's like glue, that's clumped together. This is an individual grain rice.
Fluffy rice.
Fluffy. I'm like a rice aficionado. I've made rice a lot in my life.
Yeah, I struggle with rice, so honestly, I let
Girl, how
you
are you struggling with rice and you in the house with a rice? That's
why I don't do it. I just let you fix the rice.
Donna, you gotta learn.
No, I don't.
What if I'm at work? How you gonna make rice if I'm at work?
I don't eat rice. You can make your own rice.
I'm telling you,
like you just did. Are you spitting something out your mouth?
What? That's when it's real good. It gives all like the juicy parts.
Oh, anyway, y'all, we already look forward to you guys joining us again next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.